I've tested these lace wig adhesives so you can save your money and time. After trying out various products, I've narrowed it down to the top 5 that not only promise long-term wear, but also deliver on their claims. Let's dive into these game changers.
Product number 1. Dola Hair Extreme Hold Lace Glue. When I first tried the Dola Hair Extreme Hold Lace Glue, I was immediately struck by its promise of an invisible bond. Coming in a compact 1.285-ounce bottle, this glue features a water-based formula that is completely latex-free. I remember applying it for the first time and being a little skeptical about its hold, but I followed the instructions meticulously, applying 3 to 5 thin layers and allowing each to dry clear. After a few minutes, the white glue transformed into a clear, rock-solid bond that secured my lace front wig as if it were my own hair. What I loved most was that it didn't irritate my sensitive scalp, which had been a concern with past adhesives. The waterproof feature held up during a workout, and even after a long day, my wig stayed snug without any lifting. However, I did encounter a small hiccup when I applied too much glue at once. It turned a bit white, which reminded me that patience is key with this product. In terms of removal, the Dola Hair Lace Glue Remover worked wonders, allowing me to cleanse my hairline without any tugging or discomfort. Pros of this glue included strong and durable hold, easy application process, and the fact that it dries clear for an invisible finish. On the downside, I would suggest being cautious during cold weather, as it can freeze during shipping. Also, a patch test is recommended for those with incredibly sensitive skin. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable lace adhesive that provides a sturdy hold and is safe for sensitive skin, Dola Hair Extreme Hold Lace Glue is definitely worth considering. It combines ease of use with effective performance, making it a go-to for both new and seasoned wig wearers.
Product number 2. The Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray. The Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray was my next test, and wow, was I impressed. This 4.2-ounce spray is designed to make the lace on wigs virtually disappear. I used it after applying glue to enhance the hold and finish. The first thing I noticed was how quickly it dried. Within seconds, my lace was seamlessly blended into my skin, creating a flawless hairline that I had only dreamed of before. One of the standout features is its strong staying power. I wore this during a particularly humid day, and honestly, I was amazed that my wig stayed put without any signs of lifting. This spray is also water resistant, which gave me the freedom to enjoy outdoor activities without a care in the world. Now let's talk about skin safety. I have sensitive skin, and I was relieved to find that this spray didn't cause any irritation. It's gentle on the skin and free from harsh chemicals, which is a huge plus for anyone prone to allergies. However, the ease of removal is where I found some mixed feelings. While it does come off easily, I did have to use a stronger cleanser than I expected to fully eliminate any residue. The pros of the Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray are its fast-drying formula, strong hold, and gentle nature on all skin types. However, the need for a stronger cleanser to remove the spray could be seen as a con. In conclusion, if you want a product that gives you that melted look without the mess, the Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray is an excellent choice. It provides a long-lasting hold that withstands sweat and humidity, making it a favorite for active wig wearers.
Product number 3. Goipel Wig Glue. Next up is the Goipel Wig Glue, which comes in a handy 1.28-ounce bottle. When I first opened it, I was struck by its pleasant floral scent, definitely a nice touch for a wig adhesive. I was intrigued by how this adhesive claimed to work on both lace and poly hair systems. I started by applying it according to the instructions, and I was impressed by how quickly it dried clear. The real test came when I decided to wear my wig for a full day while out and about. I remember feeling confident that it wouldn't budge, and I was right. The strong hold kept my lace front secure from morning until night. Plus, the waterproof and oil-resistant qualities were evident. I didn't see any lifting, even after a day of running around. However, I did find that while the application was straightforward, the removal process required some patience. I had to apply the Goipel adhesive remover a few times to get it off completely, which was slightly inconvenient. Nevertheless, the natural look it provided was worth the extra effort. The pros of Goipel Wig Glue are its strong and reliable hold, pleasant scent, and compatibility with multiple hair systems. On the flip side, the removal process can be a bit tedious, so it's something to keep in mind. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile wig glue that offers a strong hold and a natural finish, Goipel Wig Glue should be on your radar. It's perfect for those who want a dependable adhesive that can handle a busy lifestyle.
Product number 4. Goipel Lace Front Wig Glue.
The Goible Lace Front Wig Glue was another product I eagerly wanted to try. This waterproof adhesive comes in a 1.28-ounce bottle, and I was excited to see how it measured up to the others. Upon opening, I noticed it had a similar white consistency as other glues, but promised to dry clear. I followed the application steps closely, letting each layer dry thoroughly before applying my lace wig. What stood out to me was how well it held up against skin oils and moisture throughout the day. I wore it during a long day at work, and despite the heat, my wig stayed in place without any signs of lifting. The invisible bond it created was impressive. I received compliments on how natural it looked. The removal process was also user-friendly. After a day of wear, I used the Goible Lace Glue Remover, and within seconds the adhesive lifted without any tugging or discomfort. This made me appreciate the thought put into the user experience. Pros include its strong, waterproof hold, ease of removal, and the natural finish it provides. One minor con is that it can feel a bit sticky if too much is applied at once, leading to that dreaded white residue. In conclusion, Goible Lace Front Wig Glue is a solid choice for those looking for a dependable adhesive that offers a long-lasting natural look. Its ease of use and reliable performance make it a go-to for any wig wearer.
Product number 5. Dola Hair Lace Wig Glue Kit. Finally, I tried the Dola Hair Lace Wig Glue Kit, which is perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution. This kit includes not only the lace glue, but also a remover, hair wax stick, edge control gel, and lace melting bands. I thought this was a great idea, especially for beginners. The glue itself is latex-free and promises a strong hold, so I was excited to see if it delivered. I started my application as per the directions, using the included wax stick to smooth down my edges first. The glue went on smoothly, and after a few layers, it dried clear, which made my lace look incredibly natural. I wore this for several days, and it held up beautifully, even through showering and workouts. I loved how the edge control gel complemented the glue, keeping my baby hairs in check while also blending seamlessly. However, I did find that the remover could be a bit harsh if I didn't follow the instructions closely, so it's essential to let it sit for the recommended time. The pros of the Dola Hair Lace Wig Glue Kit are its comprehensive contents, strong hold, and user-friendly nature. The only con is that the remover requires careful application to avoid irritation. In conclusion, if you're looking for a complete wig installation kit that covers all bases, the Dola Hair Lace Wig Glue Kit is an excellent investment. It provides all the necessary tools for a flawless wig installation and maintenance, making it a steal for any wig enthusiast.